to show you how to make healthy mini pizzas. We're going to be using the wholemeal pita bread. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them in half. Done this, cut it in half. And the great thing about that is you can have a whole lot of little pizza bases without going to all the trouble and the sweat in the kitchen. You can also, if you have children and they have friends, you can get them to make their own individual little pizzas. And you'll see how we will do that. And one of the main ingredients is the cashew cheese. So I'm going to show you how to make the cashew cheese, and then we will put on all our additives. Right, so for the cashew cheese, we have 1 cup of water. We have 1 teaspoon of salt. We have 3/4 cup of cashews. We have 2 to 3 tablespoons of tahini. Then we have yeast flakes. You could savory yeast flakes and just plain yeast flakes. They're basically the same. And then for color, to give it that cheesy look, we're going to be adding the red sweet pepper. It's about half because they're quite big. So if you don't have the bottled red pepper, you can always use the fresh red pepper. It's for the color and a bit of the taste, flavor as well. Then we've got some lemon juice, gives it that sour. We've got 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and we've got our 1 clove of garlic. You can use garlic powder if you would like, but I like to use the fresh. Okay, we're just going to make a bit of noise and blend this up nice and smooth. Okay, so that is nice and smoothly blended. So we've got our greased baking pan, and we've got our 2 halves of the pita bread. The first thing I like to do is to put on the tomato sauce. A nice heaped spoon. You might want to put on more or less. Then we'll put actually the onion first. Some people don't like onions, but I do like to use onions, and we've used the red one, so it's got more color. And I've got some sliced mushrooms. Anything that you slice, you're going to want to do it thin, because pizza is a quick thing. It's not going to be in the oven for a long time, so you want it sliced nice and thin. Okay, and we've got some sliced courgettes. And I've got here some little cherry tomatoes or angel tomatoes. And I've got some big ones because some people might like to have the big slices of tomato. And I've cut these little angel tomatoes in half. And you can see how the children will have a lot of fun doing this, because they can put on what they would like to. And of course the beautiful corn, not only for the nutritional value, but for the beautiful color. These are more like gourmet ones, because most pizzas you just get a little bit of something on them. So these are real gourmet pizzas which have a lot of good nutrients. So I'm just putting some of these sliced black olives. You can see they give beautiful color. So now we're going to put on our cashew cheese. You can pour it on, or you can just, it's got more control when you spoon it on. You've got a young teenage boy, he might want to be having a lot of protein. If he's gymming, then you can just add a bit more. And now you can put a bit of the vegan cheese as well, so you can see there are alternatives. Then you'll put this in the oven, about a nice hot oven, 190 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then just check on it. Here we have our finished product, and you can serve this with lovely salad. You can put it in a lunchbox. for your children or for your husband, they will have a very healthy, nutritious meal.